In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Bluebeam Cloud. Whether you're working on construction plans or collaborating with your team, being able to insert text seamlessly can enhance your workflow. Let's dive right into the steps. First, you'll want to head over to Bluebeam Cloud. You can do this by navigating to their official website using your preferred web browser. Once you're there, locate the Sign In button. It's typically found at the top right-hand corner of the page. Click on Sign In to proceed. Now you should see the sign-in page. Here's where you enter your email address. Make sure you've entered it correctly to avoid any login errors. Then click on the Next button. This will guide you to the password entry section. Input your secure password. Remember, keeping your password complex yet memorable is key to maintaining your account's security. With your email and password submitted, you are now ready to click on the Sign In button. This action will allow you access to your Bluebeam account. If your credentials are correct, you should find yourself in the Bluebeam Cloud environment, where you can manage your projects and documents. On the main interface, you'll want to look for the Studio Sessions option. It's usually listed in the main menu. Click on Studio Sessions to see a list of your ongoing projects. From here, select the project you want to work on by clicking on it. This will open up the project workspace where you can edit and collaborate. Next, look to the left side panel of your screen. There you'll find various tools available for your project. What you're looking for is the text box option, which is often represented by an icon with the letter A. Clicking on this icon will activate the text box tool. Once you have the text box tool selected, go ahead and place it on your project. You can do this by clicking on the area where you want your text to appear. Position it precisely where it needs to be, and then release the mouse button to drop the text box. Now that your text box is in place, it's time to type in the content you want to include. This could be notes for your team, annotations for your project, or any other relevant text information. Ensure the text is clear and concise to convey your message effectively. And there you have it, you've successfully added text to your project in Bluebeam Cloud. This straightforward process can be repeated for any additional annotations you need to make, streamlining your work and enhancing communication with your team. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tips and tutorials to maximize your productivity with Bluebeam.